Hey, thanks for joining Uncle Mike for this review of our day trading session for Thursday, 5/21. Well, let's take a look. I'll start with this chart. We'll work backwards a little bit. This actually wasn't our first trade. It was close to 10 o'clock. Uh, it was right near the report. We didn't have confirmation down here. We got a signal. It did work, but we did not take this trade. So then a little bit later, it's set up. We did take another trade. That was our first directional trade that we took. We were in for 1 point and then 2 points. Later in the morning, we took this one, and you can see the time decay here. We got out break even. If we would have stayed, it would have been a winner. But with all the time decay, after so long, we do get out, bring our stops up, and in this case, brought it to break even. And it did come down and take us out. We had this during lunch. We stayed and traded basically through lunch. This one did show up. We took it. We got a point. Not too long right after, this one showed up. At 1:30, we got our 1 and our 2 points on that. And lo and behold, that was it. That was it for the day. We were done at 1:30 today. I'll go over the other trades, but we were 5 and 0 and then 3 break evens. So basically 5 and 0 for the day at 1:30. Don't tempt fate, and you were done trading. Now let me flip over to the other charts for you to take a look at our counter trend and scales. Okay, this was our pre-market trade. We took a trade right at report. We took a short up in this area when it bounced back a little bit and then came back down. So we took a counter trend and we got 1 point. That was 8:30. That's how we started the day. Then let me advance on a little bit. Then here we go. We hit the open. You can see if you were trading, it was a pretty terrible price action for a while. We got into this scale and we took it out break even, time decay. We were into this counter trend. We got 1 point. We were in and out. We were next at around 11, almost 11, let's say 35 or so. We got into this, what was this one? This was a counter trend divergence trade. We got in and you can see actually we got out right in here. We were in this like 10 minutes. It was just not going anywhere, and actually it was too long for time decay, but we've been trying to give it a little more room, and we did not make out on that one, and we got out and it did head higher, so thank goodness after that time decay we did get out. And that was it for the that chart. I want to show you one more. We're starting to trade the Forex, well, we're trading the currency futures, and we had one Forex trade today. Let me bring it into view. We had one Forex trade early morning. I know it's kind of squished in this chart, but it was right here, and that trade was a winner. So we took that one to the bank, and then later in the day, a couple of these showed up. We're going to have some training for the members to start trading this, but there were 2 other trades during the day. Both would have been winners. I use these rectangles to denote trades that are not taken by us, but show up during the day when we're not trading lunchtime and so forth. But there were 2 other trades for the EC. So please join us. Give us a week of your time. Join the free trial. Come on in the room and trade with us. So 5 and 0 again today, and we'll go to bat tomorrow, and I expect we'll be done early Friday and holiday weekend. Thanks. If I don't see you tomorrow, have a wonderful holiday weekend, and we'll see you back on Tuesday.